Good morning, everybody. So it's Wednesday morning. It's around 11 o'clock and my bike is sick. So I have to give it some medical attention. So I'm gonna go to Pro Bike, which is near the Lumpini Park. And I think it's actually a nice opportunity for me to show you where you should go in Bangkok if you have a problem with your bicycle. So I will go to Pro Bike, and then after that I will have a look also at Decathlon. Okay? So now I am in Soi Langsuan on my way to Pro Bike. The weather is absolutely gorgeous. It's a little bit windy, so maybe the sound is going to be a little bit windy as well. Yeah, so if I have an issue with my bicycle, there's two shops where I go to. I can go to Pro Bike or I can go to Decathlon. So Pro Bike is more like the specialist. And yeah, in this case now I have a problem with my spoke that needs to be replaced, so I have to go to Pro Bike because Decathlon cannot do that. But if I have to change my wheel, like my tubes, my inner tube, then I know that Pro Bike doesn't have the size of my bike because my bike is a little bit an older model, and I already went there one time and they didn't have it, and Decathlon has it. So then, for example, I go to Decathlon. So what I will do now is I will go to Pro Bike, and I don't know how long it takes for them to fix my spoke. So if it's quickly, then I will just wait there, and otherwise maybe I'll walk around in Lumpini Park or something like that. And then after I'm finished with Pro Bike, I will go to Decathlon because I want to show you guys Decathlon as well. Because we have to be fair, we have to show everything. So I'm almost there, I'm almost at the park now. This is a very big area of Sintorn where there's a lot of construction going on. It's going to be very beautiful. Okay, so I'm almost getting there. So when So I will also put a link to Pro Bike and Decathlon in the description. Listen carefully, I say description because normally I used to say downstairs, and my wife keeps telling me don't say downstairs, it doesn't make sense. Okay, so I'm not gonna put the link downstairs, I'm gonna put the link in the description, darling. Okay, so here's Lumpini Park, which I'll probably be walking in there unless they can do a quick fix at Pro Bike. Then I might So here's Pro Bike. So they open at 10 o'clock, so that should be okay. Sawadee krap. Okay. Hello. I have a problem with my spoke. Sawadee krap. My spoke is broken. Sure which one? Again.
Okay, okay.
You saw it already? Maybe there's a few, I don't know. Sawadee krap.
You like jump the bike ใช่ไหม
Not really jump, but sometimes I think it's just old.
and happy ด้วยไหม
Oh, thank you for the compliment. No, I make a little video, so I want to show everybody.
and look around.
I love your shop. I come here all the time now.
Thank you.
Yeah, so as you can see, they have the main brand that they have here is Trek, which is also the brand that I have. I actually bought my bike at Pro Bike, but it was in another location then. But as you can see, there is a lot of accessories here. But unfortunately, they do not have the tube, not the size of my tire. Yeah, and I think they can fix it now, so that's cool. I will just stay here. Don't have to go walking in Lumpini Park. Yeah, so a little bit later when I'm finished, I'm gonna drive to Decathlon, which is in Rama 4. And yeah, because here in Pro Bike they have all the really good brands and all the good quality, and in Decathlon it's also good quality, but they have their home brand and it's a little bit cheaper. Yeah, so there in the back you have the repair shop. So I will just show you inside the repair shop what they're doing with my wheel. Sorry, Khab. See, I'm like CB Media now, but then with a bicycle. I guess I have to clean it one time because it looks quite old. Look at this thing, man. It is definitely a patient and an old one. Yeah, so what I said, if you want to have a professional bike shop here in Bangkok, then this is the place to be. They do repairs, they sell new bikes, they really take care of you. So the patience is ready. Finished in, I think I waited like 20 minutes or something. Okay. เท่าไหร่นะครับ
224ขึ้นมาเป็น
โอเคครับ Okay, so I'm finished. My bike is running again. The wheel is fixed. So in the end I had to pay 224 baht, which was 2 spokes that needed to be changed, so that's 2 times 12 baht, and then 200 baht for the repair costs. So I think that's about 6 euros or $7. That's not bad. Okay, so now I'm on my way to Decathlon, and yeah, I can go through Rama 4, which is a big road, and if I look at all the replies on my channel, a lot of people get anxiety when I go through this big road, so I will try and do some scenic route now. So I will go through Saturn Soi 1 and then take the back road. There is a very nice area next to the train station that I already made a video for Sukhumvit Homes one time, but I'm gonna go through there, and then I'm gonna go through a market, and then I will end up at Decathlon. So I hope you guys will enjoy the ride. It's not gonna be too crazy. Of course, it's a big difference because now this is more for fun, so I don't have to go through big traffic. Ooh. So this is Wireless Road, Witayu. now I'm going in the direction of Saturn, and we're gonna pass the Lumpini Park. Yeah, one thing that I wanted to say, the channel is growing like a lot more than I expected, and last night it went well over 2,000, and with that it comes that there is a lot more people reacting now, and believe me, I read everything and I will do all my best that I can to reply to everything. But yeah, maybe at some point I will forget somebody or I will forget a message, but it's not out of bad will. I really try to read it, but it's just getting busier and busier. Spending about an hour a day now to reply to everybody, which is really cool. So keep putting your messages in there, because for me that's a luxury. Yeah, so because I noticed that my spokes were broken, and basically your wheel is then not really, I'm not really straight anymore, so that's why they needed to be replaced. And I heard that medical videos are very, very popular on YouTube, and of course I want to do whatever's popular. So then I thought, okay, let's go to the bike medical. I mean, Bangkok is famous for medical tourism, so in this case the patient was my bike. Just kidding, man. Okay, so I'm getting now to the crossroads where Saturn and Rama 4 cross. But yeah, this is the only busy part. So the people that get anxiety, I'm sorry about that. The weather is awesome. It's getting hot, of course, because it's actually well past 12 now. Yeah, so that over there is the entrance of Lumpini Park. Okay, I'm just gonna go with the flow here. As I mentioned in a previous video, all the people prefer to also stay in the shadow, especially when it's so hot. Here we go. Yeah, so this here is Saturn Road, one of the main office areas, but I'm gonna turn left here through a nice side street. So this is Saturn Soi 1. Yeah, I want to bring up the concern of the people again, because I see so many replies. Yes, of course, I have to be careful, but that's with everything. And I honestly believe that driving a motorcycle in Bangkok is more dangerous than driving a bicycle, because as you can see, if you see me, you always see people passing me. I'm barely passing anybody, only when they are standstill, right? If you're on a motorcycle, you're going full speed with the big traffic, and if you make a mistake, somebody hits you, you're going down full speed. I'm driving slowly. I can stop quickly. So And then regarding experience, I was born in Holland, and since I was, I think, 12 years old, I drove a bicycle to school because that's what we do. So been driving all my life on a bicycle. For me, the bicycle is like walking. It's second nature. So anyway, still a lot of people won't believe me, but that's okay. But I do like to take these back alleys because it is less hazardous. Some construction going on this one. Yeah, my idea was to make one video about pro bike and decathlon, just also to compare a little bit and to explain the people who are interested in biking in Bangkok where they can get their gear. But I'm just realizing now that if I bike this in between and I film this is gonna be quite a long video. So I might split it up in two parts. So I will make probably one video about going to pro bike and make one video about going to decathlon. Yeah, and that's exactly what I'm doing now. So I'm splitting this video up in two parts. So this was the end of part 1. I hope you enjoyed it. And tomorrow I will upload part 2 where I go to decathlon. So have a nice day and see you guys tomorrow.